Are you developing extension applications with C# for BricsCAD? But testing your code is always time-consuming, since you always have to repeat these three steps. You have to start BricsCAD, you have to attach the Visual Studio debugger to it, and you finally have to load your extension application. Now, I will show you now a way how you can automate these three steps. So, all you simply need is a launch profile. So how to start? First of all, if you're not already done this, you set a project of the DLL you want to load, which includes your extension application as startup project. This you can do here. Now, as you can see, it is our startup project. Then you go here and select Launch Settings, Debug Properties. So, and here we will now create our launch profile for our extension application. We select executable. Now we have to fill in here those fields. So here we add a path to our BricsCAD exe file. Here it is. And here we simply type in LD and we paste the path to our the DLL, which includes our extension application. We copy the path and we simply paste it. So now we have created the launch settings for our project. So the last thing is we finally have to start our launch settings profile. And as you can see now, BricsCAD is started. The Visual Studio debugger is attached to it. And as you can see here, finally our extension application DLL is loaded into BricsCAD. And if we press our command, our breakpoint will be hit. So enjoy the new speed up of your testing.